Good morning, traders. My name is Joseph. I'm with Smart Money Traders. Welcome to the stream for for Thursday, February 6th. I can't even imagine it's already Thursday. Let's see. I'm gonna make sure it is Thursday. I feel like the week has flown by, and right now we're looking at the markets together. But before I start my analysis for the day, just want to remind go over the disclaimer. This is for educational purposes only. This is not recommendation to buy or sell any foreign exchange or just future contracts. So basically, we're here to just look at the market together and share what we're seeing and really be part of a community of traders that's helping each other. So with that said, we're going to be looking at the market. Mainly I trade the ES, and we see the ES right now. It's approaching a resistance area. We're going to start with the 30-minute chart here on the bottom right. Overnight, they went up for a little bit. They came back to that support, and they're bringing it back right now. So we're approaching this resistance, which is very, let's say, we're gonna see what they do here when they get to this resistance. We know this morning, I think the unemployment numbers, the jobless claims came out this morning, and they weren't. It looks like they weren't too hot. So 219 versus 214 expected. So that means a little bit more unemployment claims than expected, which there wasn't much of a reaction to the market. It was a very, very little reaction, but we have to keep that in the back of our mind. And also at 2:30 today, which by that time I should be done trading. 2:30 Eastern, we have the Fed member Waller that's speaking. So whenever the Fed, one of the members is speaking, it's always something to keep in mind. So because that can move the market based on what they say. So again, we're seeing some selling here up there in that's the resistance area. So the 8:30 move was here to the downside for a little bit. Then the bounce of VWAP, if you look on the top right window, the bounce of VWAP, right now they just broke this pivot, which was created down here at 4:30 this morning. So here we see the sellers are coming in a little bit. Let me move my order flow, and also we right at the standard deviation from the VWAP. We're at the second standard deviation from the VWAP, so that's something we gotta keep in mind as well. So resistance, that's something we should be seeing here, and also looking at some of my other charts, which if I had all my charts here, they wouldn't be able to fit on one screen. But we had a resistance zone for the hourly resistance zone and also the 4-hour resistance zone. So a sell-off here is not something that that's surprising. So we got 3 minutes to the open. We're gonna see. I think for them to bring it back higher, they might have to bring it back lower to 695. 6095, and move it higher. Or if we break 667, 6067, we should probably go lower. Sorry, did I say 60? 87, sorry. 87, not 67. So, again, right now, we usually don't take a position until after 6:35. So, we're going to do the same here. We're going to look at what the market gives us and take what it gives us. So, let me know what you considering trading today and how things are going for you. Let me look at the NQ real quick. NQ, yeah, NQ still have more room to move to the upside here until they find this resistance. So that just tells me, um, you know, if NQ is starting to move up, I think the ES might follow. And also, when I look at all the earnings for the big tech companies, they've been mainly positive. Just keep an eye on Amazon. I think Amazon is reporting tonight at after the market closes. So that's another big tech we're gonna see that can definitely boost the. I can definitely boost the NQ especially, but the market as a whole. Because when you look at Amazon, Amazon is almost like a hedge fund by itself. Um, it has all kinds of no, not hedge fund. I mean ETF all by itself. Okay, now we're getting some. The market just open, so again we're gonna observe and see what it does in the next 5 to 10 minutes. So the selling is happening. I mean, again, we did say here we're at a resistance zone. So this selling is not something that's surprising us at all. We knew this was going to be a high probability here. So I'm going to put the ES back here in the 30 minutes, bottom right. Let's see. But in the meantime, let me look and see when Amazon has. Let me look at something looking for Amazon. Yeah, we're still kind of selling off here. Yeah. Also, they may just bounce off 6100. I'm sure a lot of people have interest in 6100. So Amazon is, I believe, the earnings. That's 30-minute chart. Oh, did they have earnings last night? That's AMD. I'm looking at AMD. Okay. I'm like, all right. The earnings are after hours today. After the market closed. So far they're going higher. So that's something to keep an eye on. Now, with the ES, we're getting to that buy zone here. If we make a U-turn here already, we can see the NQ trying to go higher here. It's 9:32. We're gonna wait. I think they may come back and tap the VWAP here before they do anything. VWAP is at 1697. So let's see what they do here. You know, 98.25 was an interesting number as well. The dotted brown line here, it's kind of the line in the sand. So if you're above the 60.98.25, we should probably favor long. Below it, we'll probably look at shorts. But right now we can hear the buyers coming into the market here a little aggressive. So. Yeah, we're definitely at a support level here. So let's see if we can bounce higher or go lower. Even though looking at the Geiger counter right now, we're kind of neutral, which is right here. Top middle, we're neutral. And the market internals down here are fairly mixed. So we got some red and some green. Definitely can hear the buyers getting more aggressive here. So, and this market has definitely a bullish tone to it. So we'd like to definitely look at it from that perspective. You know, if it's gonna go higher, you wanna buy. If it's go lower, gonna sell. I know it's easier said than done. I have some other chart here. If we get to 98.75, that could be a sell. That could be a sell right there. Yeah, we're seeing some selling here. But again, it's a very precarious sell here, because we're getting close to the VWAP. Even the order flow is saying, hey, we want to go lower. But, you know, these guys, they can always move it higher here. But definitely saying the market internals are getting really bearish. And let's see if we can... yeah, selling is happening here. The reason I'm not selling here is because we got the VWAP in the way. So if we break the VWAP and go lower, you know, hey, we're going lower than the VWAP here. Let's see. The support at 94.75. So if we break that, that's another reason to think we might continue lower here. We're right at that 95 level, which was support right here, 95, 94.75. Yeah, we're doing what we do around the VWAP, which is just playing around it here. They're just playing around that view up. Um, See if they're gonna push lower here, or yeah, they're pushing lower. What I'd like to see is a move way down, away from the view up, and then come back to it. Because right now it's just playing around here. Yeah, just playing around at the moment. So let's see what happens. Yeah. And they're pushing higher here. Yeah, this is why you don't just sell right at the view up here, because again, we already said this market has a bullish tone to it, but that doesn't mean we cannot sell. It came back to the 695 here, and again, when you look at the internals on the top right, everything seems to be bearish. So, um, yeah, doesn't mean we're not gonna get another selling here. But we got that resistance, that support at 94.75, 95 area. They need to break that. Doesn't look like they can. Well, at the moment, they're not. It doesn't look like they're willing to do that. So market fall here and may fall all the way to to 70. So this is a classic move that's happening right here, because they just break the support. This was support, they broke it. Now they test it to the other side, and for them to go lower, possibly. But at the same time, we don't want to get trapped. We don't want to get trapped in this area here. We may get trapped down here if they go higher here at 99, 99, 99 and a half. So they're selling right now. So the selling is still in play here. So if you're in the chat, if you're watching here live, just let me know how things are going for you. Are you long or short? What are your plans for today here? Looking at this market. Again, we're doing some sideways movement here in both ES and let me see. Let me just reduce my. I'm not sure. I keep changing this to 60 so I can get better. Yeah, looks like we're going higher here. Again, we get to the view up again. It looks like we want to bounce higher here. See right here, this big level here, which is the yellow, tells me a lot of contracts traded there. That was now they want to move it higher, so quickly. And when this happens, see that this is buyers are really taking over right now. Buyers are taking over, so will I trust this move here completely? Yeah, it looks like they have some legs. Yeah, will it give us a pullback to get in? Comes back to 98.5, or even the figure. No, it doesn't. No, it's approaching a resistance area here at 602, between 603 and 604. So if they break that, that will tell us a lot what the intentions are. So that's they're pushing higher. Let me look at. All right, we're seeing a pullback again. We did say about 403 and 04 would be resistance, but I think they're pulling back here so they can attack it again. Again, ideally, I'd like to see a pullback to 98 and a quarter, and then a turn around to the upside. So that's what I'd like to see. Where is it? Oh, this one. They got to the value area high, which was 04. And now they're selling off a little bit. If they come back to the POC, which is 99.50, we may see a bounce there. Definitely going into this resistance. So to me, right now it's like a stalemate. We're gonna stay out. I think we're too close to this resistance here to engage one or the other. Because here going long, we hit that, but we don't have confirmation either to the downside. So let's see how it goes here. If the sellers are selling in here, I think this could have been a retest of the high. If this 3-minute candle close to the downside, that will tell me a lot as far as it's going to close in about another 90 seconds. So, yeah, we're definitely hearing the selling right now. Can hear the selling coming. Yep. Can definitely see the selling here. Let's move this down. Again, we're right at the number. You can definitely use that number to buy again. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Here's the selling. Again, the plan here could just be, let's move this to the view up here, and I think until they break 95 here, it's kind of tough to be selling here. And if we get a turnaround to the upside here, a buy might be the way to go. Yeah, not 100% clear here where we're going. So when you're not 100% sure, you just keep your powder dry. Yeah. Once again. Okay. So the view up is at 97.50, 97.75. So will they come and test it again here and go higher? So we'll have to see. To me, at the moment, again, remember we said this market has a bullish tone to it. So if we go higher here, we may just try to buy it above this 601 here. Let me find my. If I can only find my. We're gonna lower this. Yeah, above this 61 here. 150. We're probably gonna go long here. With a stop below the swing. I think my next resistance is 1325. Let's see. So I'm gonna hold this past that 13. The sad thing is we may get taken out here. Let me give it 60.95. 60.50, so 96.50. Let's see when that low is. That's 95. This is when you're like, okay. It looks like we're getting into some selling here. Yep. Yeah, we did get. I think our buying was a little premature, or is it gonna keep selling off? That's the thing here. Could update done this to us again. Just get us out and to move the market higher. No, let's find out here. Because we're at the pre-market mid, which is a pretty significant number. Yeah, we'll definitely keep our powder dry here. That's not what I want to do. Looks like we're going lower here. Just looking at this here. Just looking at this here, looks like we want to move lower here, but still not too clear. I think if we break this low here, I'm gonna go lower here. If we break 93. Maybe not. They keep playing with this. Yep. There you go. Get to 96, 75. Yeah, they're just playing around this level here. You know, think we could see a push down at any moment, but in trading, nothing is guaranteed. I think I probably would want to go short here below 93, but lots of back and forth here. Mm-hmm. Looks like they're gonna. Yeah, this is exactly what what the risk was. They got you ready to go short here, but they're bouncing higher. Hmm. See. Yeah, it looks like we want to go higher here. So Hmm. All right. Once again, here we're at a resistance area, so that could be somewhere to sell here. I'm gonna grab my some tea here. Mm-hmm. All right, so now it's a matter of waiting for a pullback to get long. Right now we're ranging, and see if we go lower or higher here. If we break 3 3/4 here, might go higher, or if we break the round number, if we go below the round number here, we should see some shorts here. Try short here, and let's see if we can get. Looks like if we can get to this pivot here, we'll take this. We'll take this win. If we get taken out here, we will definitely call it a day. Looks like we're not seeing this market right, so definitely want to get off the stream at the moment, because here it's not so much our logic is off, it's our timing is off, because this market did sell off right here. We didn't get in. And yeah, I think timing wise here, we're not. Gonna try another sell here at 100 and my other screen. think we can go back to 95 here and revisit 95 and okay. Um, Market analyzer. So the short was all there, was there the whole time, but we short at the wrong location here because we short down here earlier, too close to this, and went back to this resistance, and then started to sell off again. When you look at the market internals, they're all red like this. I mean, the sell was an eventuality, it was something that was gonna probably happen, but we got some losses here. Trying to short it down here and went back up and tag us out. Now, it's just a matter of we should see a little bounce here because we saw the bounce here earlier. So maybe go back to VWAP and we'll go from there. This would like them to go back to VWAP here about 97. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. Um, Remember, we bounced up here before, so there's a possibility we do the same thing here, but you can see the order flow here is definitely bearish. So I'm gonna favor the short here. Next level, which is at 88. So see, can we get the short here? Maybe not. Let's see. Is that what we're doing here? Getting people short and reversing it. Definitely could have been some trap traders down here. It's a possibility. So NQ wants to go higher. So which is not a good sign for our short here on the ES, but let's wait and see. Definitely some trapping happening in this area. It's 10:33. Looking at the initial balance, we're kind of right toward the bottom of it. So yeah, a push higher here. If that's what's happening, looks like that's what they're doing here. They're moving higher to move it lower. So, all right, 1 and 2 today here on stream. So let's I'm gonna call it the day because this market is not moving No, that's conducive for the way I trade. So I hope you did better than I did today. So have a good one. Take care. God bless. Bye bye. See you guys tomorrow for the last stream of the week.